What's up, guys? So back with another video. I'm actually very excited to show you guys this video today. I got my hands on some pre-production models of the Rhinoshield CrashGuard for the Galaxy S10 Plus in my case. I got their SolidSuite cases, 2 of them. These are not out yet. They will be out in the end of March. Before I do go through them and show you guys, the company did want me to show you a few bullet points that these are pre-production models, and they said the fitment is final. The button clickiness will be slightly adjusted. We'll add texture on the sides of all cases, which will add a bit more grip. The matte coating has not been applied to the inner surfaces yet. It's kind of glossy now. Final versions will be ready end of March. CrashGuard bumpers, they're showing white, blush pink, and black to match the phones, which is beautiful. She only sent me the black, which was, and then the SolidSuite, you're gonna have 4 premium finishes, over 70 designs. You can add something on the back if you wanted to. There are over 70 of them. And I got some other stuff that I don't want to show you. It's just press the stuff. Anyway, so I already have it on my phone, but you know, this is the boxing. It's showing you guys, yeah, a sample. It's not really going to show you much, but here it is on the actual phone. It is simply beautiful. I mean, yeah, people are going to say you have to put a skin, but thanks to D-Brand, I'll be hooking that up as fast as I possibly can. We'll take it off to show you guys what the inside looks like. See how easy that pops off? See, what they mean is the inside of that is quite, somewhat glossy. I wouldn't say it's a big deal. But that's the CrashGuard. In my opinion, this is the best case for me. Okay, let's take a look at the SolidSuites. First up, we got, looks like to be the standard black SolidSuite. This one, I guess, will give you a little bit more protection, I guess. I mean, they're all drop rated at the same amount. I guess this is just so you don't need a skin on the back if you are crazy on fingerprints. So it would look more or less like this. It gives you a great lip support. Cutouts are perfect. Buttons to me are pretty quickly and tactile. I'm not gonna complain here, and if they're gonna update it, it should be even better. You know, removing it is the same like you'd remove any other case. And the other one we got is their carbon fiber. I've always been a fan of this. It's even got the little plastic. So satisfying. So you got the nice carbon fiber back. Very nice. And there you go again. So I'll be dropping a link down below where you can, I believe these are up for pre-order, so I'm going to drop a link down below where you can pre-order. Depends on what you like. I mean, you can get designs on the back of these. In my opinion, you know, this guy is the way to go. I love their CrashGuard and their NX mod, I believe they call it. I love this case. I love all their cases. I rock it. As you saw, my iPhone XS Max, I rock it on here. I rock it on any phone I possibly can. Alrighty, guys. See you in the next one. I hope you like this pre-production special little case video I did for you guys. Alright, guys, please leave a thumbs up, share it around, let everybody see the best case in the world for the Galaxy S10. Thumbs up, please, share it around. Alright, guys, laters, peace.